Good afternoon. I've been wanting to do a walk-around video of my 1992 Suzuki Samurai that I've had since '96. I've had her for 25 years now, and I bought her bone stock with a 1.3 liter fuel-injected motor, and now she sits on 36 by 1250 Super Swampers Toyota axles with a 1.6 liter 8-valve motor. The modifications that I've done over the years has of course been Toyota axles with Jeep Rubicon Express 1.5-inch spring over springs in a shackle reversal fashion. The frame has been extended 6 inches with Toyota IFS power steering. The front knuckle has been rotated so that the pinion angle is better for the additional lift. There's a Sky manufacturer high steer for the Toyota axle, and there's an ARB in the front, a Detroit in the rear, with Quick Air 2 for the compressor. Brakes are 4-wheel discs with a 79 Firebird master cylinder that's bolting up directly to the Suzuki power booster, a Doug Thorley header, and Chrysler 318 engine mounts. The shock mounts are Ford F350s that have been extended with C-channel to make them a bit taller, a PSC remote reservoir power steering pump, it's a Jeep TJ pump, and the bracket is a low-range off-road that has been modified to move the bracket down a few inches so that I can get better flow into the power steering box. It's a 1.6 liter 8-valve engine out of an 89 Sidekick, and the wiring came from Trail Tough. The engine's been in about 20 years now, and I've had no issues whatsoever. The front clip is Schedule 40 pipe with a Harbor Freight bender and LED headlights with a Ramsey Rep 8000 winch. As I said before, there's 529s in the ring and pinions, and the transfer case has 6 5-to-1 gears in it, and with a square front drive shaft and a stock shortened, not stock, a Toyota double cardan drive shaft shortened. The seats are from a Chevy S10 with just neoprene covers. The front has been rhino lined, and there's really no modifications other than the extended roll bar. The rear bumper was hand fabricated by myself with standard trailer lights wired up for turn signal and stop, and the tires are Super Swamper 36 inches with homemade weld-on bead locks. There's water in the tires from recently hitting the whole vehicle with a power washer. She's been on her side more than once, and I have the rash to show it. The rock sliders are made out of 3/16 angle iron that has been fabricated and bolts to the frame on both sides. I didn't buy any kits to make the Jeep to make the Jeep spring over springs work. It's all been fabricated by myself. I am not a fabricator. I sit behind the desk every day. So it's just been fun for me to have this vehicle, take it to trails here in Northern Virginia, out to BigDogsOffroad.com in Gore, Virginia, and up to Roush Creek. I've enjoyed working on it off and on over the 25 years, watching it grow and taking it to many places, and I just had a lot of fun with it. I'm not a video editor by any means, so I hope that you enjoy this video, and I should be trying to post more. So if you would like and subscribe to this video, and I will post more as time allows. Thank you.